A little help, please?
When you're zesting your lemon, you want to make sure that you only grate the yellow part. You don't want to grate down to the white part because that part's bitter and won't taste very good. Get the dust ready to roll these cookies into. Now, traditionally, crinkle cookies are rolled in confectioner sugar, but if you have seen any of the recipes on my channel, especially the s'mores crinkle cookie recipe, you'll know I don't really like to go the traditional route a lot of the time. So we're gonna roll these in some freeze-dried blueberries, and we're gonna grind those up into a powder using a spice grinder or coffee grinder, whatever you want to use. And here's the powder. We're going to just put a few spoonfuls of granulated sugar into here just to sweeten it up just a little bit, and we're going to mix that together and set it aside. We're just simply going to take a full cookie scoop of that lemon cookie dough and roll it up into a ball and put it into our powder. And just roll it around that powder. You can either use your hands or you can use a spoon. I flattened it down just a little bit. You don't have to. It'll just make them a little bit more domed, but not too much. you guys probably already knew this, but if you put some cooking oil on your hands, the cookie dough won't stick to your hands as bad. So, yay! And here is the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much to Jessica for suggesting that I make some cookies. I haven't made any cookies in a while, and it's really fun. I really am happy that I got to get back to it. If you guys have any suggestions for things that you would like to see made on the channel, leave me a comment down below and let me know about it. So anyway, I hope you guys liked this one. If you did, leave me a like down below. Subscribe to make more messes with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!